Kwa farm leo. Got to inspection kidogo, looking at the conditions of the goat. It's very dry, but as you can see, ziko sawa. They are healthy, no problem, no issues, no diseases. It's dry season. The only problem is grass, no leaves, but ziko fine so far. These are the newborns, as you can see. Come closer, Mr. Cameraman. See this one. These one are the newborns. They're now almost a month old. As you can see them growing slowly by slowly. This is Mother Karua. This is Mother Karua. Look at her. She's now pregnant. Look at that breed. Very good breed. Na check your breed hapa iko sawa sana. Very good breed for identification. Hiyo for identification iko sawa sana. Finyelea picha. Piga mingi. Yeah. As you can see, everything is okay. Cameraman this side. Chukua pande hii Buddha. Watu waone. Shit. Look at this one. Them they are here. Very good breed. Very young. Still not yet pregnant. Now I think this goat is pregnant. Yeah, come here. You want to hold like this. You just hold like this. Haiwezi fanya kitu. Kishika hivyo ni hivyo. This is tag number 17. You see? Hey. Very heavy. So, the sheep are few. We are trying to eliminate the sheep. Now reduce the numbers of sheep. Take picture. Number of sheep nataka kupunguza kabisa. Because during dry season, they tend to suffer. Yeah, this is pregnant almost. This one is almost giving birth. This one, come here. In few days, this is the expectant mother. And there are almost 7 of them. As you can see, 7 of them, they are expectant mother. Very soon inaenda kuzaa. How many minutes?
2.
Yeah, come this side. We're also thinking of disposing that breed. We want to change so that we avoid inbreeding. Na dispose hii hapa tunafikiria kuikinda. So if you need a breed, you can look for us. Yeah, that one. We are thinking of selling it so that to avoid inbreeding. Yeah. Good, stop.